I'm back and playing hooky this afternoon to go magnet fishing again. And I'm at a place called the $1 Million Bridge. I'll check the bridge out here through the windshield of the van. That's the $1 Million Bridge. I think that cost $1 million bucks. It's a historic bridge anyway, but pretty cool. Neat steel and such. Maybe get some other photos of it for you. So, anyway, I'm going to fish off there and around the banks and such and see what we can come up with. Alright, we'll be back to you in a bit. So, I'm back from magnet fishing, and the $1 Million Bridge gave up absolutely nothing. Nada. Not one good target. Did hit some major targets, but magnets just weren't strong enough to bring them in. So I think they're basically pieces of girder and big panels of steel that were left behind after one renovation of the bridge. And from what they were shoring up the shore underneath the bridge. Anyway, yeah, so nothing. But did get out and enjoyed the weather and had some quiet time, I guess. And got a bit wet. But other than that, yeah, pretty much that was it for the day. But better luck next time, I guess. So, happy picking, safe picking, and we'll talk to you next time.